What's the meaning of analog? Analog. 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 Analog.
Analog refers to a type of technology or communication that uses continuous physical signals instead of digital codes. Examples of analog technologies include vinyl records, film cameras, and traditional landline telephones. Analog systems have the disadvantage of being more susceptible to interference and degradation over long distances, but they can also provide a more natural and smoother experience than their digital counterparts. In recent years, however, digital technologies have become more prevalent and have largely replaced analog systems in many fields.